Hi friends, how are you? Indian film industry has always been thirsty for hot beautiful actresses and juicy gossips. Here we present a collection of photos and videos of Bollywood, Tollywood, Mollywood, Collywood and Bhojpuri actresses and popular social media girls and their juicy stories. A true treat for your eyes. Go on, enjoy our video. South actress Shivani Narayan looking so cute in this video. Watch here. Here is Naila Usa and her awesome fitness training. BTS Diaries of Jannavi Kapoor. Oh, what a video and what a look. अंकिता दाबे ने दिखा दिया अपना सुपर हॉट बॉडी है. वॉच अंकिता दाबे और वीडियो यार. Here is Bollywood heartthrob Isha Malabia and her super cool look. Bijli girl, Shweta Tiwari's daughter, Palak Teri oops moment here. Pop sensation Nikita Gandhi's super hot and uber cool look. Watch Nikita's hot video and thunder thighs in this video.
यहाँ पर है हाँ यहाँ सामने यहाँ पर सामने
क्या कर रहे हैं? बाय बोलना पड़ता है.
बाय हमें बोलना पड़ता है पीटर.
For more such videos, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.